All right, guys, if your guys' Logic projects are slowing down or completely stopping, saying that they're overloading too much CPU, instead of getting a new computer or a faster computer, you can do a couple things that will help you free up that CPU and finish your mix. Okay? So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Okay, so here we are in Logic Pro, and this is a song called Into the Night that I've already released, but it's a huge project. Check this out. This has got so many, check all the different plugins on here, all these different tracks. I got so much stuff going on. I have even more than that, actually. Those are all my drums, too. So all this going on, if you have an older computer or a slower computer, it won't be able to handle this. It will just shut down on you. It'll say overloading. I can't go any farther, basically. Well, instead of buying a new computer, you can get around that by freezing your tracks. And what freezing your tracks does, let's say this bass track right here, you've got all these different plugins going on it, and it's just sucking your CPU. So what you can do is freeze this track, and it's not permanent. All it does is it just keeps the track how it is right now, and so you can keep working on other tracks. And whenever you want to, you can unfreeze it, and then everything will be exactly the same it was. You can keep working on that track. It'll just free up all the CPU on each track that you're not using at the time. So what you're going to do is you're going to right-click on this area on the bass track here, and we're going to go down to track header components, and we're going to go to freeze tracks. All right, you'll see these little snowflakes that appear by all your tracks, and all you do now is just click on this bad boy, and it should freeze it. Check this out. What it'll do when you hit play next time, it will say it's freezing. It'll do this little, whoops, I just bumped the mic, and it'll do this little process right here. Okay, but once that's done, it's frozen, and it will still sound the same. So check this out. Okay, it's still got all those going on, all my plugins and everything. They're just frozen right now. Okay, so if I want to if I'm done recording some other tracks and I want to work on this again, you just click on this bad boy again, and it unfreezes it, and everything works here. All my plugins are working again. Okay, pretty sick, huh? Yeah, it really does help out, especially if you got an older computer and stuff. So. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe. Please leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do that leaves it wide open. See you guys.